Ngayong araw to guys, ay gagawin natin ang leg massage using the three major strokes of Swedish massage, the effleurage, petrissage, and friction, and their sub-variations. And let's start with the application of oil with the heart effleurage for 3 repetitions. At gagawin naman natin ang circular effleurage for 3 repetitions para ma-spread natin ang oil evenly sa buong hita. At isunod naman natin ang two-handed ironing using your knuckles. And now let's use another ironing using your forearms for 3 repetitions. After your few selected effleurage strokes, now let's follow with petrissage, and let's start with one-handed petrissage. After the one-handed petrissage for 3 repetitions in every side, now let's proceed to alternate petrissage for 3 repetitions again in every side. And now let's do another form of alternate petrissage. At sa ibang banda naman tayo pupwesto, and this stroke is often referred to as the sun and moon stroke. And now let's do the ocean wave for 3 repetitions. After the ocean wave, let's do the falling petrissage again for 3 repetitions. And after some of the selected petrissage stroke, let's move with friction strokes, and let's start with the circular friction for 3 repetitions in every side. Naman natin ang alternate friction, and again do this for 3 repetitions in every side or every corner of the legs. Pag naramdaman ninyo na nangangalay o sumasakit ng inyong mga kamay o daliri, ay isi-shake nito guys o ipagpag lang ninyo. And now let's do the chucking friction, and then let's follow that with the ringing friction for 3 repetitions again. At para matapos ang leg massage mo, you can actually apply some vibration stroke like jostling at iba pa. And remember to start and end with the effleurage strokes.